I'm Makam McDermott. Welcome to Look Fantastic's YouTube channel. Today I will be creating 3 90s hair looks. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any of the amazing stuff that Look Fantastic have coming up next on this channel. You want to start with your hair fairly straight. I just quickly straightened mine with my T3 hair straighteners. I believe that the T3 brand is stocked on Look Fantastic. So I'm just going to run these through my hair. And I'm going to comb through my hair like this. For the first style, we're going to be doing a side parting fringe. So once you've combed your hair over to the side like so, I'm going to take my Joico Fast Dry Finishing Spray and I'm just going to spray my roots. Then I'm going to make a swoop by pushing it forward and tucking it behind my ears. And then to hold that in place, I'm just going to use a black hair clip. Then I'm going to tuck the other side behind my ears. And then we're going to go back into our Joico and just spray the roots and comb down. And then with your ends, you can either curl them underneath or you can curl them outwards. But to go with the 90s theme, I'm just going to use my straighteners and curl my hair outwards. And this is the first look. Now we're going to comb out our hair, and I like to leave like just one piece in the front like so. I think that's really cute and adds some more dimension to your hairstyle. And you're going to half your hair like so. And we're just building a ponytail. So I'm going to take my clip out, comb my fringe forward, and then put my hair in one. Like so. And then with your fringe, you're going to comb that forward and then do the same technique that we did before. Push it forward like so. Then I'm going to take my hair clip, and then with this piece at the front, I'm just gonna take it and make a curl by twisting my straighteners around. Just like that. And with the rest of my hair, I'm going to pull it tight and I'm going to flip my ends outwards. I think actually I'm going to just curl them so that it matches my front piece like so. And you're just going to keep turning the straighteners with your wrist to make these curls. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of my ponytail. And then this is the second look. And then for our third look, we're going to be doing an updo, a really cool messy bun with a fringe, because what is a 90s look if we do not keep the fringes going? So to do this hairstyle, I'm going to take what I would like to be my fringe out first. So I'm going to use this and I'm just going to take a clip and clip it out of the way. And then with the rest of your hair, you're going to basically pull it up into a high bun. So I'm going to do that now. I'm using my Tangle Teezer that I also got from Look Fantastic to brush through my hair. Once you've got your hair up into your ponytail, you're going to take some pieces and pull them out, just like so. Just like some random pieces, and then with the rest, you're just going to turn it like this. Turn it, turn it, turn it to make somewhat of a ballerina bun. I'm going to secure my bun in place with a bobby pin. And then with the pieces that I pulled out, I'm going to take my T3 straighteners and I'm going to twist my straighteners around to make curls. You can also use a wand if you don't like using straighteners for these things, just like so. And we're going to do the same thing here with this piece. And we can curl it under like this. Like so. So this would be one look. Or you could pin it to the side like we've done before, and that would be another look. I prefer it like this, so I'm going to leave it down. If you really don't want it in your face, you can use a black hair clip and just pin it to the side, and then it will be like this. It won't be in your face. I like it like this as well. I think the accessory is very cute, but I think I'm gonna have it a little bit in my face just because I think it makes me look a little bit more demure. And then to finish this off, I'm gonna take my Beauty Works dry oil spray, and I'm just gonna spray the style just to give me a little extra shine. And this is the final look. Thanks again to Look Fantastic for having me on their channel. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to turn your notification bell on to see all of the amazing things that Look Fantastic will be having on their channel. I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye bye.